Here is a buy signal. Let's enter the position and set stop loss and take profit. Wow! Take profit is 10 times of stop loss. In this video, we are not going to set the take profit so long, but I am going to teach you a strategy so you can make a lot of money. You will be surprised by the result. So if you are ready, let's go. Hi everyone. The strategy that I am going to teach you today is one of the best strategies for beginners. In this video, I test this strategy on Bitcoin and I chose 15 minutes time frame. You can choose the time frame between 5 minutes and daily. We have to trade in the direction of the trend. One of the good tools we have for detecting the trend, which I taught you in the previous video, is the moving average. We add two moving averages exponential to the chart. We go to the first moving average settings and set its length number to 50, and from the Style tab, we change its color to yellow and make it a little thicker. We go to the second moving average settings and set its length number to 20. From the Style tab, we change its color to white. Whenever the white moving average is above the yellow moving average, we have an uptrend. In the uptrend, we are only looking for buy positions. And whenever the white moving average is below the yellow moving average, we have a downtrend. In the downtrend, we are only looking for a sell position. But now it's time to add an indicator to the chart that will tell us where to enter a buy or sell trade. In the indicators section, we search for trend meter. We select this one. This indicator will be added to the bottom of your chart. Now we go to its settings and disable this first checkbox. We go down and disable the last two checkboxes. Now everything is ready to trade. In order to enter into a buy position, we must first check that the white moving average is above the yellow moving average. Next, we should check the trend meter indicator. If all the points and the bottom line were green, we can enter into the buy position. So, as you can see, we can enter into the buy position here. I will tell you further how to set the take profit and stop loss. But before that, let's see how to enter a sell position. If the white moving average is below the yellow moving average and in the trend meter indicator all points and bottom line are red, we enter into a sell position. So here, where the white moving average is above the yellow moving average, even though all the points and the bottom line are red, we do not enter into a sell trade because the trend is upward. But now it's time to tell you to set the take profit and the stop loss. After the conditions for entering the trade are met, we enter the trade with the closing of the candle. We put the stop loss below the previous swing and set the take profit 1.5 times the stop loss. As you can see, the trade is closed with profit. And for sales positions, after the conditions for entering the position are met, we enter the position by closing the candle. We set the stop loss above the previous swing and set the take profit 1.5 times the stop loss. But let's see some more examples to learn the strategy better. If you like this strategy, like the video. I will wait for you with a new strategy in next week's video.